Hey guys, today we're going to be going through how to make the mechanical spirograph, where it draws these lovely circles and patterns which really come out quite nicely, and it can all do it through mechanically. So today I'm going to be showing how to build it and then some troubleshooting issues that I have found during the making process, and then we'll get to making some drawings. Let's get right into it. First of all, we've got the instructions here, which is going to show us how to assemble it, also how to take these off. It does recommend pliers, however, you can easily just twist them off. So I'm just going to leave these instructions up here on the screen, but you can also check out the instructions on my website. So let's go and get right into it. Alright guys, let's get into building. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to put the foam feet on the base plate, just on each corner. Comes with 6, but you only need 4. I wouldn't worry too much about the middle ones, especially since you can't really place them in there anyways. I'll just sink to the bottom. Alright, it's all firmly put in. So the first step now is to put these down. So we're going to put it starting from here. We should probably try and fix up these corners, but it should be okay. So 3 here. And then a 1 space, and then 1 more. And then another 1 space, and then another one here. Cool. Alright, so first of all, what we're going to want to do is chuck some gears on. So first of all, what we want to do is this gear. It's going to go here. I'll just push that in a bit more. Cool. Now we want to put this one in here. And then for the third one, we want this one here, this double decker. Cool, that should just slide in. Now we want 3 more. This one, and this one here. So we want to place this small one in the first area, this here. And then we're going to want to put this one here, I'm guessing. Yep, that looks about right. Alright, and now we want to get on to building this thing here. The actual drawing pad. So first of all, what we want to do is we want to put this guy, which one, D7. Now we're going to want to place this up here with leaving 2 lines of blocks left. So I'm just going to figure that one out. I'm just going to lift this up and line it up. Now this is probably going to be the tricky part. just pushing these in together. Oh, there we go, all good. Just have to slide on. Now that's just connected there to that cog there, which is great. Now for step 8, what we're going to want to do is place this here, leaving one line of block here, this D6 piece, and then we're going to want to put this guy on there. I might push that down a bit more. Cool. And that. Now spin it. All works. Perfect. So number 10, we're going to start moving on to this guy here. So we need to find this foam block here and place it on, let me just get that off here. Attach the sticker inside here so it has kind of like a nice grip on the pencil, because this is going to be holding the pencil to put it down. So once we've got that on, we're going to put another one on this piece here for the other side of the pencil holder. Oh. There we go. Place that just there. Nice. And then these will be put together. Hey guys, I've just found a massive problem. So if you do not follow the instructions like I just did, it is essential that you put this on first inside there. And it can be really hard to get this guy back out. But I've just figured out if you get a Stanley knife, you can put it in here down at the bottom and just shimmy it up like this. And then once we get enough grip on it, try and pull it out with my finger. So I'll be right back when I get that out. Go, just pulled it out. You can use some pliers or something to pull it, the rest of it out. But once you get that finger grip, there you go, nicely put out. So I'm just gonna detach this again and refit this in. So what way we want to fit it in is, let's just check it out first. So what you want to do is you want to place it on the back here, like this. Oops. You just cancel that. So what you want to do is you want to place it on the back here, like this. And then you're going to want to put it back on, which is going to be simple. Just need to push this back. There we go, nicely done. So that, you can see it's really closed there, and now we're going to want to put that metal beam back in to hold it all together. Perfect. All placed in, and now you can see it's got a lot of resistance there, and it closes it back in. Perfect. Now what you want to do is connect it to the machine here using this piece here. So I'm going to put that in and just slide it onto that, just like that. Hey guys, so I've just put in the wrong one, so always check the instructions. So I'm just going to be putting the shorter one in on the back to replace the other one. That one fits more smoothly, perfect. I'm just going to place that back together. Perfect. Now we've got these two pieces, so we're going to want to put this long one here without the extra add-on here. This one's going to be for the spring. So I'm going to place that there, perfect. And then we've got the spring here. Chuck this on. I'm going to place that in either one of these. Perfect, just like that. And then you can move these into different ones to change the way it draws, which is pretty decent and pretty cool. So now what we're gonna wanna do is start building the batteries. All right guys, so I've just gotten the batteries and I've put them inside of the battery box. So now these are live wires. Don't do that in home. So what we're going to want to do is place this guy down first. I'm going to place him just about here. Yep, leaving one line of hole. This strip here. That's nice and put in. And then we're going to want to put these two here. This leaving 4 lines just here. Nicely put in, and then we've got this one here as well. So as you can see right now, if we attach this one and this one, it'll start working. But what we want to do is we want to add the switch. So what we're going to want to do is start building this guy here. So we're just going to place these coils inside of these holes here. Perfect. And what we want to do is place them just on the edge here, and then we're going to connect all the wires. So let me just turn this around and try and get these wires here. All right, so first of all, what we're going to want to do is place the red wires together. So what you need to do is just put these in the coil, so you can just either stretch it out a little bit and put them in like that. Perfect. And then you can just connect the 2 black ones together as well. And then you can place these ones in together as well. Perfect. So now that we've got it like this, oh, black fell off. Perfect. All right, so now when I switch it, it turns on. It is really loud, and we've got our paper here. So what we're gonna wanna do is get a pen, and then we're just gonna slide this inside of here. And then just twist it in. There's some holes in each corner, and it fits it in. Perfect. All right guys, I got my pen. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna put this in here, and then you're gonna wanna lift it up and then put the pen as far down as you can so it has as much pressure as possible on the piece of paper. So when we turn it on, it'll keep drawing. If you don't do this and you just place it in, it won't have enough strength on the paper to actually draw, and it won't create the lines. So it's imperative that you do this. Alright guys, I did swap the pen over because the other pen ran out of ink, but this is what it looks like, and that's just the first setting. So let's go check out some more settings. Change to different styles. All we need to do is just plug it into one of these different holes here, and it will change the whole look that the pen creates on the paper. Check this out. For the troubleshooting, I had a few problems with the gears going through the motor. The motor would slow down sometimes. So my recommendation for that is, because it's just came out of the factory and just came out of the packaging, a lot of the cogs still have these sharp edges and they kind of slow each other down. So what I would do is I would try and spin it around a little bit, just to speed up the process of it rotating around. So what I would do is I'd just take the motor off, or even if it's working and it stops, I would help it out by turning it around. And this would allow for it to kind of clean up those edges in the gears to make it more of a smoother turn. So if it ever stops, try and twist it around with the motor helping it to allow for it to be a smoother and easier for the motor to turn the pen around. Alright guys, this one just finished up, and that looks pretty nice there. Looks pretty cool. And we'll try a third setting. We'll try the middle one. There in the middle. Press this back here. Perfect. Alright, so let's check it out. Alright guys, this one's just finished as well, and that comes to the third one. So you can make some pretty cool different circles and drawings, and they look pretty awesome, and it's all automated. So let's go to the troubleshooting. Alright guys, that was the Australian Geographic Mechanical Spirograph. I hope you enjoyed, and please leave a comment on any other troubleshooting issues and I'll get right to them in the comments. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. See ya.